Am I wrong for telling my girlfriend her getting another tattoo will change the way I look at her? I, 23 male, have been dating my girlfriend, 22 female, for around 2 years. She had a tattoo done when she was 18, though I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I've never said anything since she looks stunning regardless. Around a year back, she asked me on my opinion on tattoos and if I'd mind if she were to get another one. To provide context, I'm a practicing Muslim. My beliefs are very important to me and are a massive part of my everyday life. Although she's not religious herself, she has always been fully supportive and respectful towards me and my beliefs. I've never tried to pressure her into my religion or force my beliefs onto her, as it is something that one must explore and embrace themselves. The first time we spoke about it, I explained my stance on tattoos clearly, saying how if I were to choose whether she get one or not, I'd rather she didn't. But eventually that's not my choice to make, and I try to be supportive as much as I can no matter what she does. Though there isn't a clear mention of tattoos in the Quran, the majority of scholars agree that having tattoos is a big sin. However, people that had tattoos done before they converted don't need to get them removed, which is why I was feeling indifferent about her first tattoo. She told me she understood my point of view, and we haven't spoken about it since. Well, not until last night when she brought up getting another tattoo once again and asked me how I'd feel if she were to do it. I openly told her I won't be the one telling her what to do with her own body, but I believe she deserves to hear my honest opinion about it, and if she were to get another tattoo done during our relationship, I'd see her in a different way. Am I wrong for blowing up at a nurse for telling me that my daughter wasn't my daughter? So me and my partner adopted our daughter 2 years ago. We don't have any biological children and we don't really plan to just yet. Our daughter is 6 years old now. She does understand that she's adopted, and we've made it clear time and time again that even though she didn't come from my belly, we still love her and treat her as if she did. The other day I took her to a pediatrician because she said that one of her ears felt full. She did have a cold last week, so that was expected, and he said that her ear would drain out eventually. All good. The nurse comes in with the discharge sheet and commented that she would never assume that I was the mother of my daughter since I looked nothing like her, which I don't for obvious reasons. So then I said, oh yeah, we adopted her, so that's why she doesn't look like me or my husband. Then the nurse goes, oh okay, so she isn't your daughter. I was a little confused because I thought I had just explained this whole situation. I said again, she is my daughter. We adopted her a few years back. The nurse says, but technically she isn't really your daughter and her real mom is somewhere else. I was really upset because what the actual fuck? I said again, but she is my daughter.